my amazing friends. I am Monty, and today we are going on a super fun animal adventure. We will meet animals that bark, meow, roar, and even some that say funny sounds. Are you ready to make funny animal noises with me? Get ready! Let's jump, run, and laugh! Ha 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 ha! And start our animal sounds adventures. This is dog. Dogs are friendly animals. The dog says, woof woof, woof woof. This is cat. Cats are soft and gentle animals. The cat says, meow meow, meow meow. This is cow. Cow lives on farms and gives us milk. The cow says, moo, 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 moo. This is a horse. Horses are strong and fast animals. The horse says, neigh, 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 neigh. This is sheep. Sheep have soft white wool. The sheep says, ba, 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 ba. This is duck. Ducks love to swim in water. The duck says, quack, 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 quack. This is lion. Lions are brave and strong animals. The lion says, roar, roar, roar. This is an elephant. Elephants are very big animals. The elephant says, purr, 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 purr. This is a monkey. Monkeys love to jump and climb. The monkey says, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. This is a bird. Birds can fly in the sky. The bird says, chirp, 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 chirp. This is a rooster. Roosters wake us up in the morning. The rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. This is chicken. Chickens live on farms. The chicken says, cluck, 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 cluck. This is a wolf. Wolves live in forests. The wolf says, awoo, awoo. bee. Bees make honey. The bee says, buzz, 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 buzz. This is a snake. Snakes move on the ground. The snake says, hiss, 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 hiss. This is a mouse. Mice are very small animals. The mouse says, squeak, 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 squeak. This is a goat. Goats love to climb. The goat says, ma, 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 ma. This is a donkey. Donkeys are strong animals. The donkey says, this is an owl. Owls come out at night. The owl says, hoot, 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 hoot. This is a pig. Pigs love to play in the mud. The pig says, oink, 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 oink. This is crow. Crows are black birds. The crow says, caw, 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 caw. This is pigeon. Pigeons fly in the sky and live near people. The pigeon says, gurugu, 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 gurugu. This is a peacock. Peacocks have beautiful, colorful feathers. The peacock says, meow, 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 meow. But wait. Was that you? Or a real monkey behind me? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ha, 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 ha. That was funny. If you want more fun adventure with me, don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya, and keep making funny animal sounds. Bye bye. Woof woof.